Wing Commander Raghunath. I had the privilege of participating in 1971 Indo-Pak War, which liberated Bangladesh, then East Pakistan. During this war, I participated as a member of Canberra bomber crew operating from Gorakhpur. I undertook bombing raids in West Pakistan over runways, the railway marshalling yards, the dam at Sulaiman Ki O2 headworks, as well as over the bomb dumps in East Pakistan at Khulna. Amongst all my missions during this war, the one I undertook on the night of 11th December 1971 is very memorable. On this night, myself and my pilot, Flight Y.S. Rao, took off from Ambala with 8 1,000-pound bombs and 17,000 pounds of fuel to undertake a radar painting mission around Sakesar radar unit and release bombs over railway marshalling yard at Montgomery, as well as along the railway track running between Montgomery and Lahore. The purpose of this mission was to relieve the pressure on the Indian troops which had been surrounded by Pakistani troops in Chickens Neck area around Jammu, and for this, Antonov aircraft were to undertake carpet bombing in that area, and to prevent Pakistani fighters from interfering with this carpet bombing, we were asked to do radar painting so that the fighters would be diverted towards south of Sakesar rather than going towards Chickens Neck area. On taking off from Ambala, we maintained a height of 500 feet and reached Sakesar radar unit, and in the close proximity of this radar unit, we climbed to a height of 1,000 to 2,000 feet and made ourselves appear on their radar screen for brief moments and again descended to 500 feet to disappear from the radar screen. We played this game of hide and seek of appearing and disappearing on the radar screen for about 20 minutes, which was also the time window given to the AN-12s to undertake carpet bombing. On completing the radar painting exercise, we proceeded towards Montgomery Railway Marshalling Yard, which was a major railway yard through which Pakistani army, armored troops as well as the tanks were moving towards Lahore sector. On reaching Montgomery Railway Yard, we released 4 1,000-pound bombs from a height of 3,000 feet and turned left and proceeded along the railway track running between Montgomery and Lahore. This railway track was also very crucial for Pakistani troop movements to support the Lahore sector. Along this railway track, when about 50 miles away from Montgomery, we released another 4 1,000-pound bombs from a height of 3,000 feet, and soon after we descended to 500 feet to proceed towards the Indo-Pak border and exit Pakistan area. And on reaching Indian area, we climbed to a height of 5,000 feet and made our way to Palam airfield, where we were expected to land. As we reached Palam, the dawn was just breaking and the landing at Palam was uneventful. Throughout this mission, the agencies involved in controlling the AN-12 aircraft as well as the Canberra radar painting aircraft were highly coordinated, and this was effectively supported by the Canberra crew, which had Flight Lieutenant Y.S. Rao as the pilot, who showed excellent professionalism throughout in adhering to my instructions of height, speed and direction maintenance at all stages of the flight with total faith in me. And this mission was successful in all respects, and thereby our troops at Chickens Neck area were relieved of the pressure exerted by Pakistan on that night. Thank you.